Hey there, fantastic viewers. A big thumbs up to you for choosing this video amidst the vast digital expanse. Get ready to embark on a journey of knowledge and creativity with Fixit. Buckle up as we delve into the exciting realm of DIY expertise. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the secrets behind crafting something truly amazing. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just stepping into the world of creativity, you're in for a treat. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss a single moment of the Fixit magic. Our channel is your go-to destination for enlightening tutorials. Today, we'll talk about how to fix my eye error on Snapchat. So the first step is to open Snapchat. Then click on your profile icon. Then click on gear icon on top right of your screen. Then scroll down until you see an option called Clear Cache. Clear your cache.